hip extension assessment. For hip extension, this is another one that you might want to have a buddy help you out with. It's a little bit difficult to lift your leg up off the floor by yourself. It's also hard to see if you're bending a knee, if things are moving. So it would really be good if you could get a buddy to help you out with this. You've got to have somebody that will lift your leg. If not, though, you can do this on your own. And I would recommend using a video camera to see if there's a lot of funky things going on that we don't want happening. But hip extension is being able to lay flat on the ground, and we're going to lift your leg up. So you're going to keep your head down, and you're going to keep your knee nice and straight, and you want to be able to lift up without any weird back stuff happening. And so am I getting hip extension? My hip bone, my ASIS here, is staying on the ground. So there's no like twisting to get off. They're both still on the ground as I lift up. My knee's not bending. Not doing this. My leg's not going out to the side. It's just going straight up behind me. So very, very few people have great hip extension. So hip extension allows us to do things like barbell hip thrusts, any hip extension exercise to train your glute. If you're doing leg lifts behind you, if you don't have hip extension, what you wind up doing is lots of back movement. So you're training your low back. We want to be able to isolate that and keep the pelvis still and move the leg up behind us. Okay, that is your hip extension assessment.